to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I took my jumbo twists and turned them into these box braids with barrel ends. Keep on watching. So before we get into this tutorial, Nail Reserve sent me their starter kit, which included the base coat, top coat, remover, and then I got to choose 2 colors. I chose Royal Nude and then White Reserve. I think I'm gonna go with White Reserve. They also included in the package this super cute mini UVL LED lamp. So since I'm already doing my hair at home, I might as well learn how to do my nails as well. And this starter kit is exactly what I need to get started. So I'm starting with the base coat and I'm doing 1 coat of that and then putting it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going in with 2 coats of the white polish, and in between each coat, I am putting my hand under the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with the top coat, and then I'll go back under the lamp again for another 60 seconds, and that is it. And here are my final results. I'll leave the link to the products in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So if you did not see my video of me installing the jumbo twist using the EZBraid 72-inch hair in the color 1B red, I'll link that up above, so make sure you check that out. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how I took those twists and turned them into these super cute braids. Now, the process was super simple, super easy. It took me maybe about an hour to switch the twist to the braids. I did have to add in some additional hair for each of the twists to create the braids, and I just crocheted in. Super simple, super easy. You can definitely do this style on yourself. I'm gonna show you how I do this, but then I want you to let me know, which style do you like best? Did you like the jumbo twist or the braids best? So keep on watching. me give you a 360 of the completed look. Absolutely loving it. And the red on the ends is just everything. Now don't get me wrong, I absolutely loved the jumbo twist with the curly ends, but these braids are definitely giving me life as well. So let me know in the comment section which style is your favorite, twist or the braids. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.